Okay, so 我们接下来去哪一个车间？So next we will go to another workshop.
Okay, okay.
And
What is this workshop for?
yeah, we will go to another workshop. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, now we are go to. It's okay. It's okay. Now we go to this inspection testing.
Okay, okay.
We're going to the testing workshop. This is for the fly strobe. See,
Okay, okay.
this machine is for fly strobe, and now it's working.
Okay, okay. I got it.
Yeah, yeah. These all machines are for fly strobe. And this is for fly strobe testing. They are testing automatic. They are all automatic.
Yeah,
And you can see here. And this ones means they are waiting to be tested. And now are testing there.
okay, okay. I got it.
Yeah, they were testing here. And then if we have find any problem,
Yeah.
then they will be have a repair area here. We will check
Okay, okay, okay.
and if there is any to check if there is any right there, if everything is okay. And then we will see here. This is for visual inspection. That one,
Okay, okay.
those machines is for function